Kani gade kapati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka khatlai tarik unailar. Ka Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association. Ka bahap apo jong ka Textile Commissioner Ministry of Textile. Ringkat ka jintrelang bat ketanap jong ka sarkar Jilla Meghalaya ka Public Works Department Roads and Building. Kala pelong ka lempung ajikai ka bertem kum ka Next Frontiers in Civil Engineering, Sustainable and Resilient Infrastructure for Northeast Region. Kabalong ru kum shibanta ban pensha shikipaj ba halor ka Geotechnical Textile in Northeastern Region. Hashwa ban stang ka jing aji kai layo jing pensha shwa halor ka Geotechnical Textile na uskatri jong katnat PWD Roads and Building jong kani ka jalla uba PR Marwen ubalai tho ya ka jing kendo jing e ka bakrao hakani ka than rilom na ka jing tor palat ka jing twa khandau khamtam habatwa shikibanta jong ka sorong bat kiwei de jing e kumta uba PR Marwen ukerman ban lingba ka jing pentrikam ya ka Geotechnical Textile onsala ban kampanjanai ye ka jing chakri jokatnat chekipaj ba namar ye ki bot thmai lengba ka Geotechnical Textile lapanan kamru akaleng kiri jong kaparthai na ka banta bajele persha na ka jing panjat ye ki jing tai haki surok ba ki baja na ka jing wanan shop ki bor kamaryang.
We had the privilege to hear the deliberation, the expert talk and all that in those days. What happened, what is necessary now? Some of our officers have been having this type of new technology workshop time and again. At just last week we had something on soil stabilization. Because what happened is that like the Chief Engineer has rightly said in the earlier that our hill states, we have some chronic problem like hillside sliding, then the subsidence of the pavement, and there are so many issues that have been really a big problem for us, and we do not seem to have solution to those with the normal technology. A hillside of 100 and 200 meters, there's no way we can protect the hill slope with our normal technology. So it's really a privilege if we can, if geotechs or whatever the other methods of solving the problems come forward from the research institute like ATIRA. I was told that ATIRA is, I think, has been identified as the center of excellence for this research work in textile. In fact, basically when we say of textile, we thought of our clothes that we wear and other things. But now they have diversified it into road construction. Like they say, the slope stabilization. It has been done everywhere in advanced countries, and then even in strengthening the pavement. Maybe I don't know whether it is through ATIRA or their sister organization. What is that? Jute Textile Ajira or something like that. So whatever is coming up, I think the deliberation today will give us the fresh idea. Not only in road construction, but maybe in some other, like our friend from water resources are here, stabilization of the hillside, stabilization of our embankment, the dams and all that. So I really look forward to this deliberation.